Good morning, traders. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend. So, the risk disclaimer here, all information on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee. Okay, so let's see what happened on Nifty and Bank Nifty, what is likely to happen on both as well. Okay, so that day market opened a gap up. Okay, uh, so it initially rejected the highs, this zone and this zone being rejected. Okay, and it came all the way to test POC but missed by few points and started climbing up. Okay, so here one thing I was saying in masterclass group the other day, when the move is slow or a kind of pretty rotation, okay, if you expect the exact target, you are going to get caught. Let's say I am a short here, say like I had shorted here. Once the VAP had break, I had shorted here. My target is 10,020. Okay, so it came till 10,040. If I am looking for exact, this is my target. If I am looking for exact 10,020, okay, for this 20 points, okay, I had taken this much risk and it never came. And if you keep on doing this, what will happen? Once it comes to your cost, your mind won't accept to book at cost. Once it goes here, you will think, okay, it will going to come because morning it started falling from this zone, it will come. So finally, if this takes, again your self-talk will come. Okay, this is the resistance, this is where on last week market fall heavily. Okay, so these kind of self-talks, and finally you will be booking your losses here. Psychologically I'm talking. Okay, so let's say if your target is 10,020, okay, at least take some profits here, because market is struggling to go down. Why you want some sort of extra target? Okay, even if you want extra target, that's fine. You take some profits here. For example, if you win 10 lots or if you win 2 lots, for that case, take 1 lot profit here, move your stop loss to cost, wait, because still if it hits your stop loss, you are net positive. So that's why scaling over after some time scaling is what we call scale in scale out. Okay, that's one thing which will massively help your trading to do good. Okay, so if you see here again, it tested this single prints, okay, and it closed here. Okay, so Bank Nifty was totally bullish that day. Okay, it opened gap up, it held this POC mark 2445 mark. Okay, it rejected, it started scaling up and it went and tested this 21,165 value area high of 3rd June. Okay, it perfectly played. There is no bearish sign here. Okay, until unless, as we mentioned the other day, it should breach this 2200 mark for any bearishness. This played very well, but here was the struggle. I mean, like this doesn't know where to go. Okay, so for today, okay, two important levels I will be watching, two important zones. One is 10,260 zone, okay, and 10,350 zone. Okay, this is the zone going forward this week. This two zones are very important thing on higher side, because this is like a first gap fill after May. March. On March 9th we made this low around 10,260 level. Okay, so that is very important level for today as well as this week. So this what bulls going to do in this 100-point range will be very key, okay, for the next move. Again I will repeat, it is no short, okay. The bias remains long, the higher time frame context remains long, okay. The bias remains long. Now until unless it doesn't close below 9980, the bullish bias likely to continue, okay. That day someone had said, this was a beautiful shot, you missed it. Yeah, fine. I mean, one or two trades against context you go, it might feel like you are winning, but out of 10 trades, 2 trades like this you will win. Rest 8 trades you will give back to the markets what you made, and even more than that. So always, that is a lesson I learned in this over the years. Even though I'm a mean reversion trader who want to do this trade, but I love these kind of mean reversion trade, okay, where the pullback happened. If this is a long at 10k, this trade would have fetched a good result. Long at 10k, stop loss below 9,900, and right now at 10,200, a 1:2 easy trade, okay. This mean reversion along with the trend I love rather than this mean reversion short, okay. So that level is very important today, 10,260 and 10,340 for this week as well, okay. So any strong push from bulls need lot of effort in this zone, because we have lot of headline resistance here, and that doesn't mean you need to short. Here also I mentioned this could be a profit booking move. There is a lot of difference between a profit booking move, profit booking fall, and a fresh short, okay, that fall from short, okay. Here also I expect profit booking to happen until unless we don't close comfortably below 9980 as of now, okay. The levels might keep changing once the option keeps on going. So as of now, till we don't close below 9,980, this bulls will stay here, okay, as of now. So if we have a profit booking, I would be watching how bulls do here at this 10,200 and 10,175 zone. If they hold, and if they hold and goes back, okay, on that pullback I will be buying, looking for a rotation again back to 10,250 and 10,260, okay. That is my first long idea. So in case if we open flat here, okay, if we open flat here, if this rejects, if 10,140 holds, if 10,140 holds and scales back, shows some strength, on that pullback I will be buying, looking for 10,240 and 10,260 as a target, okay. A strong bearish move will happen for intraday only below 10,070, okay. If 10,070 breaches, okay, on the pullback I will be shorting, looking for 10,020 as a target, or even a break of 10,000, okay. So that is for Nifty here, Nifty future, okay, the levels. Here on Bank Nifty I will be watching how this level, okay, 21,600 and 21,700, how this level reacts, okay. Any strong push above this 21,700 mark, scaling above 21,900, on that pullback I will be buying, looking for 22,100 and 22,300, okay. In case if this resist, okay, if this resist 21,700, if this resist, so there can be a fall towards 21,300 and 21,200 levels, okay. If this holds, 21,200 holds and goes back again about 21,300, okay, on that pullback I will be buying again, looking for 21,500, okay. So till this zone holds, the context remains bullish for the day. Okay, there could be some sort of shorting opportunity here, but one need to be act as a scalper rather than anything else. But always stay with the context. That will make your trades very easy. Okay. So in case if we break 20,700 comfortably, okay, or 20,650 comfortably, then we can look for 20,500 as well as 20,200, but that is a very tough task seeing the structure as of now. Okay, so that's it for Bank Nifty today. Okay, so this level need to be break with force. Okay, then bulls can even come back very stronger. As of now, the higher time frame context looks bullish. Okay, so on stock front, already I explained Sun Pharma was a good shot that day. Okay, it done its prop. Okay, so the other trade I'm looking for today is Hindustan Unilever. Okay, because this is a zone bulls acted sometime. Okay, if HUL opens about 21,100 mark, okay, or say like 20,095 or 21,100, okay, and if it keeps driving higher, okay, on that pullback I will be buying with a stop loss below 2070. Okay, looking for 21,140 or 150, but it need lot of effort to push above this 2120. Okay, because this is where that day bear strike. Okay, so we need lot of effort to go above that rather than chasing the long at high. Even though if this breaks, chasing the long at highs, wait for a proper pullback. Okay, even I will be watching how this level reacts. Okay, how this 2075 level reacts. Okay, even if some sort of bullish auction happens here, I will be entering along. Okay, so that is one trade for today. I will be looking out. Apart from that, banks need some breathe here, so there could be some profit booking, so I'll wait there also. If any trade setup I get, I will let you know in my Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for today. On option open interest front, if you see 10,300 and 10,500 was the highest call open interest here. Okay, on put still 9,800 remains the highest. Okay, here the change in open interest, the highest one is around 10,300. Okay, so I will be watching how these guys react here. Okay, and if you see there is a huge last minute change on 10,200 put, 10,300 put, 10,400 put the other day. Okay, I don't know, I mean like probably even 10,100 put. See, 355% spike and 444% spike in OI. Okay, so someone would have got some news, I mean that we might have a gap up open today. Okay, so they at least went right, left and center, wrote these options. Even if we open 100 points, okay, these puts will massively shade its premium. Okay, so do watch this 10,300 and even our level Nifty level matches here 10,260 and 10,350. so that is going to be a key level for this week as well. Okay, so we'll be watching. So as always, protect your capital. Okay, that is a must as a trader, and market is going to stay here always. There is always other trade. Okay, so no one trade should make or shake you, and don't give importance to a single trade. Okay, it's always been a set of trades, and what net gain you get after set of trades that matter. And always, I mean, like, stay humble before markets, okay, as well as in life. That's it, guys. So have a happy trading day, have a wonderful trading day, respect risk, and stay humble. Take care, and catch you at next episode.